Hi everyone, this is Joanne for Bramble Fox. Today I am going to be making Christmas layouts this month, and we're going to show you the December Fox box, which is amazing. So let's get right to it. This is going to have a lot of detail. I'm using the November 2022 hip kits, which were their Christmas kits. This is a Bramble Fox tool. It is amazing. You use it to rip your paper. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about the glare. It is so cool. I'm going to demonstrate. You can go straight and have a nice straight rip, or let me see, I think I'm going to go sideways, and it's going to snap and pop the paper a little bit. So sorry about the noise, but all you do is lay it down in the angle that you think that you want to rip your paper. Maybe I think I want to rip it this way. Yeah, that sounds good. So you just hold it there. You can hold it in both your hands and do it, but I like to do it this way. And then go to the end and start the rip. You see the pop? And then just pull your paper. Come to the other side so it doesn't move. And keep pulling. Pull towards the tool and up. There. We got it. But look how perfect the rip is. I love it. We're going to put it right there. And of course you can take that and, you know, roll it up a little bit more for a little bit more dimension. It's awesome. So then I'm thinking, let's calm that down a little bit with some pink. So I have a piece of pink paper here. Maybe for this one, we'll go this way and make the pink longer over here. So again, just start it and then hold it and rip your paper. So fun. So then now you have lovely rips and they're all done for you. So just a little something like that. All right, friends, and then let me show you my photos. Look at these awesome strawberry treats that I had. I am scrapbooking photos from last year's Christmas. Obviously, because this year did not yet happen, I have two photos. This is on foam right now. I'm not sure what I want to do with this because I was thinking about maybe tucking in a frame in there. And if I don't like that, I will put this one up on foam as well. But before we do that, I was thinking maybe we should do a little stenciling with this awesome Bramble Fox stencil underneath the photos, just for a little something something. And excuse me, I have Distressed Oxide in Festive Berries, and I believe this is going to match. I hope that it's going to match. I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't want a lot of this. I just want it peeking out from my clusters, and I don't want it to be perfect in any way, so I'll just do in the middle and avoid the edges so it has like this really cool ending to it instead of a straight line. Isn't that just beautiful? So I think that I'll go ahead and put some of that, excuse my arm, on this side as well. I'm going to put some going from here over. I'm going to cover up a lot of it, but I just want it peeking out a little bit so I can see it surrounding the photo and the clusters that I'm going to make. So just go ahead and lightly blend this in. I like the color. It matches the paper very well, and I'm avoiding the edges of the stencil so have like an abstract ending instead of a straight line ending like this. That's so pretty. So let me put this away so I don't get ink on anything else, and be sure to wash your stencils right away afterwards so they don't stain. And voila, what do you think? That is super cool. It matches this really nicely. So I have some stuff, and we are going to decorate now. This is a We Are Memory Keepers Crocodile. It's just a punch. And I'm going to punch the top of this tag out. I think that I will put some thread or something in there. But you guys, seriously, this is packaging from the Hip Kit Club. But it's so pretty, I had to use it. So I'm thinking, put some of that. I want to put this here. I just love this pattern. So then I'll move this down a little bit. Maybe I'll figure out what I'm doing with my clusters, and then I'll readjust my photos. And then let me see. I have, if I could pick it up, I have this really cool circle. I just want to use it as embellishment. You could definitely put your journaling on there. That would be nice. So I'll put that there, and then this here. And then I was thinking, this is a fussy cut nutcracker from one of the pattern papers. Put him there. Beautiful. Perhaps a little heart over here like this. And I have a flower that's fussy cut from the pattern papers, but I have a couple of them. Let me see which one I would prefer. Here's this, and maybe I can just put that in here a little bit. See how that looks. Well, it doesn't look too bad. I like that. Let's see if we like that one, or if we like maybe this one. It's got some pink in it. Of course, I'm gonna love that. Let's put it this way. Maybe, I'm not sure. Try him again. Well, both look really good. I guess personal preference on this one. We'll leave it in there. Matches the pink up in this, so that'll be good. Now, let me show you this. I have no idea what this is, to be honest with you. This is a piece of scrap from last year where I obviously attempted to do something. I don't know what. And I just must have taken some scrap pieces of paper, put a little bling across it, and tried to use it, and I didn't. So I think we're going to try to use it today. So I'm going to come in here to this 1-inch strip that we are using this time. I'm going to try to line up the lines of this with the lines of that. It just happens to be the same paper. And then here is a chipboard floral arrangement. I'll just put it here, and I'm going to have to put a piece of foam behind it because it's going to rest on top of this strip of little gems. Make a little cluster down here on the bottom. That looks good. We'll add more to that. This is where I'm going to decide whether or not I'm going to keep this where it is or move it, because this is where I want my title. Look at that. It's photo heart graph. I love it. I want to put it down here, and then let's get the rest of this title down before I forget and put something there. So what did I want? Meaningful moment photograph, because it is. And I think that would be perfect. Now I think these are like acetate stickers, so I'm going to be careful not to put my fingerprints on it. And then let me see how I can get this in here so it looks good. Unless I want it there. No, I don't want it there. Let's do this. Alright, it's straight. That's where it's going. And I like it. Alright, friends, let's go ahead and finish this up. I decided to put a journaling sticker here on the corner of this instead of those florals, because I thought that this floral cluster piece of ephemera would look really pretty coming out of the corner of that photo. And then if there was two next to each other, they would have been competing. I have a Christmas tree that I kind of want to put in there, but I'm going to need a piece of foam on the side of it because the photo is on foam. So let's see if that's enough, or yep, that's enough. Okay, good. All right, I like that. So let's go ahead and put that in there. Put some glue underneath so that doesn't move. Take this off there. can get it, grab some glue on this. And I'm also going to put this 12 days circle ephemera right there, and then have the tree sneaking in underneath it like so. Oh, it's a little crooked. Okay, that's good. I have this awesome epoxy flare button from the Bramble Fox Paper Snips. It's got a little pink car with presents on top, and she does travel to come to our house for Christmas, so I thought that was pretty appropriate. I'm going to put it in right here, just slide it in here to make sure I can still see the car, but then to add another circle with this one and that. Now we have 3 circles. I just have so much love for Christmas layouts that I just want to use all the things, but we don't need to do that. Okay, this is good, this good, this good. I'm gonna write on this. Perfect. All right, do we need a little something over here? Let me see. I have this leaf. I don't even know if that makes sense to put a leaf in there or not. Let's see. We'd have to lift up the foam square. I think I can do that. Tuck that in there. It doesn't look too bad. We'll just go for it. Okay, put some glue in there. Now that's all good. All right, there is a fa la 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 piece of ephemera. I don't know if I want that there. It doesn't look good. I might want to put it over here. Or I could put it right here because this has music notes on it. That's not bad. Let's do that. Hopefully it stays while I put some glue in there. Okay. Now, let's try to figure out this cluster on the top. Again, I did pull this frame, and I really like it. Let me see if that's a good height. We could always move it around if we had to. I want to get in this really cool tag from the Paper Snips. Put it like right in the middle of that. And there is a piece of ephemera that's also a banner, so we can have 2 little, like a tag and a banner together over there. Yeah, that looks good. Just to make a little cluster. This is from the Paper Snips too. So I might want to use this, but I'm not sure. Maybe that. And then here is a present sticker. That would be cute. Does that look good? It's not too bad. That heart is kind of distracting, so I might cut the heart off and just use this paper snip like that. And then that would be some place for me to be able to put another word phrase. I am all finished. So I added a couple little small touches like honeybee stamped gems just in little areas. I'll show you up close. A couple little puffy hearts, circles and stars. I finished this cluster up here. I had a couple silver enamel dots that I put in. And what else did I do? Oh, I threw in a scrap piece of red paper right here to break this up a little bit. And I somehow managed to rip my paper, so I was forced to put this little subtitle there. It looks okay. I probably would not have put that there if I hadn't ripped the paper, but it is what it is. So here is this cluster up close. And this is a little perfect saying because when we take off together to go shopping or go on a road trip or something, we're like nutty together. So I really like that for a picture of my friend. Here's that. And here's those little bursts that go with this awesome title. And I put one right here and a couple little things here. And here's this cluster paper snip here. And here's those little teeny honeybee stamped gems inside things just to add a little something. I put a little coffee cup with a candy cane sticking out, puffy sticker here, and that is about it, my friends. I will put close-ups at the end, and I will link all the Bramble Fox products that I used for this. And don't forget to check out the Fox Box for December because it's for the holidays and it's spectacular. Thank you for stopping by. Let me know if you have any questions about Bramble Fox. I'm happy to speak with you. Have a good day. Bye.